Students, in this video there is the explanation of lesson 6, that is introduction to Visual Basic. In this chapter we will read the following topics. Starting Visual Basic means we will learn how to start Visual Basic, the form window, the Visual Basic controls, and declaring variable. First is introduction. We will first know some points about Visual Basic. Visual Basic is a very popular programming language. Visual Basic is a programming language and it is very popular. The word visual refers to the GUI. The full form of GUI is Graphical User Interface. You underline this and learn it. And the word basic refers to the basic language. Basic is a language that is used by most of the programmer in the history of computing. It is very easy to learn and use. Visual Basic is called event-driven programming language. In the last chapter, we learned that C++ is a object-oriented programming language, but Visual Basic is a event-driven programming language. Why it is event-driven programming language? Because the statements are not executed in the sequence in which they are written. Means the statements are written in sequence but they are not executed in the sequence. They only get executed when a corresponding event occurs. Now you will think that what is the meaning of event? An event refers to an action which a user performs while using an application. Means the actions which a user perform while using an application is called event, like clicking on button, pressing key, selecting a checkbox, etc. If we do these things, then it is called an event. Nowadays there are several versions of Visual Basic are available, such as Visual Basic 6.0, Visual Basic 2008, Visual Basic Express 2010, and Visual Basic Studio 2012. All the versions of VB are launched by Microsoft. What is the meaning of VB? Visual Basic. This is the short form of Visual Basic, and all the versions of VB are launched by Microsoft. Microsoft company launches all these versions. Let us learn about the Visual Basic Studio 2012. You all know that how to start Visual Studio and add project. Let's go through it. Here is the steps to start Visual Basic. To start the VB, go to the start screen and click the Visual Studio 2012 tile. Means on the start menu we will click, then we will get Visual Studio 2012. We will click on it, or we can also open it by another steps, like open the search charm bar. Means here we will get a search box. We will write Visual Studio 2012 in this box. Then we will press enter key. The typed app will be displayed right side of the window. Whatever we will type here, that app will be displayed right side of this window. Click the app to open it. Then we will click on that app to open it. The start page of Visual Studio 2012 appears. Click on New Project option under the Start to begin with new project. It is given on the next page. Here it is written new project. It is not been visible by this video. When you will see in your book page number 94, then you will be able to see this. We will click on this new project. The next step is the new project dialog box appears with various templates. When we will click on this new project, then new project dialog box will be appear and there will be various templates. Select the Visual Basic template and then click on Windows Form Application option. We will choose the Visual Basic template and we will click on Windows Form Application option. Now give a name for the application. Then we will name our application, then click on OK. The following Visual Basic Integrated Development Environment IDE, the full form of IDE is Integrated Development Environment, underline it and learn it, appears with a new project including Form 1 VV and some other components as shown in the given figure. Here is the figure. This is the Visual Basic IDE image. Then below we will learn all the bars and all the windows of this Visual Basic IDE. First is menu bar. The menu bar provides access to most of the command that control the development environment. Menus and commands work as they do in all Windows based program, and you can access them by using the keyboard or the mouse. We always use this menu bar. In this Visual Basic IDE, the menus are different, and by this menu we can access to most of the commands that control the development environment. Means while developing the form, we can use the menu commands to develop the environment or to create the form. Next is standard toolbar. Located below the menu bar is the standard toolbar. This is the standard toolbar just below the menu bar. It is named here as toolbar. A collection of buttons that serves as shortcut for executing command and controlling the Visual Studio IDE. This is the shortcuts of all the commands that we will need while controlling the Visual Studio. Next is tab of form window. This is the tab of form window. The tab of form window contains the name of the form with the word design. The word design represents that the applicant is currently in the design mode. In this tab of form window, it will contain the name of our form, whatever name we will write, and with a design in a square bracket with star. That means this design means that this applicant is currently in the design mode, means we are currently accessing this form. Next is Solution Explorer window. The Solution Explorer window is located right side of the window. It displays a list of all forms in the current project. Means in this window it displays a list of forms. Whatever forms we are using at the current project, all will be displayed in this Solution Explorer window. Next is Properties window. The Properties window is placed below the Solution Explorer window. It displays all the properties for a selected control. For example, the text box has properties named color, font, visual, etc. You can view the properties of a control in alphabetically order or category wise order. This properties window will display the properties of the control which we have selected. For example, here it is the example of text box properties. Means when we have selected a text box, then it will have this property. First is appearance, then next is font, and likewise many others. The property window displays the form property if no control is selected. If we have not selected any control, then the property will display the property of that form. Next is code window. The code window allows you to write the code for the controls. We can write the codes for the controls. To open the code window, you need to double click any object or control. To open this window, we will have to double click on any object or any control.